First, thoroughly cleanse the skin to remove oil, sweat, and any product residue. Make sure the skin is completely dry before waxing. Next, apply a light layer of powder to absorb excess moisture. Avoid using too much because the wax still needs good contact with the hair. Now apply the wax in the direction of hair growth, using a smooth and even layer. Always check the wax temperature before applying it to the skin. Place the waxing strip over the wax and press it firmly in the direction of hair growth to create a secure bond. Hold the skin taut, then remove the strip with one quick motion, keeping the pull close and parallel to the skin. This helps make the removal more controlled and efficient. Finally, gently remove any residue and apply appropriate soothing aftercare. Avoid excessive heat, friction, and irritating products immediately after waxing. Want more professional beauty and waxing techniques? Subscribe to MTH Health and follow for more expert tips and step-by-step tutorials.